Hello and welcome everybody. My name is Roland and these are the slides I used when I was teaching MAN471 Fundamentals of Project Management at International Business School Suzhou in China when I was teaching there between 2017 and September 2019 when I left. In this session I asked students to select a project based on several criteria, and I used the Guido book, page 45, exercise number 6, and asked students how would you calculate, based on financial concerns, which project you would prioritize as an organization. Now you can have a look, pause this video, and do this calculation by your own means, and then discuss it among yourselves. Now, based on financial concerns, the project Tonight's the Night is the one we should be choosing. And then, while we have money left over, we should choose the project On the Beach. And Time Fades Away is a project we won't prioritize. Exercise 7a was asking which project has the highest score using the evaluation method that we have decided upon. Project 5 scored 107 points and was the project of choice. The final exercise for the students was to design a project selection tool for the business school and detail what criteria they would use and why. Obviously, there are many selection tools that we could look at, and essentially what solution we came up with in those sessions was we need to move away from single factor models and choose a model that allows multiple factors to create a score in order to level out the strengths and weaknesses of single model decision making tools. Now, every single selection model has its strengths, its weaknesses, and potentially also a bias. And by using tools that focus on different factors, we can minimize these. So what we are doing when we are submitting a project proposal, we do not want a final decision. We want people hooked up, we want them interested and ask us for more details. And bear in mind that the first impression you are making with the project is very important. So absolute professionalism begins with the project proposal. I'm sure you have heard about the elevator pitches, and we have different forms of pitches. For example, 12 pages, we have 30 seconds pitches, and. So whatever is used in the industry that you are pitching to, you need to fulfill the expectations of the people you are dealing with. And this is one of the issues that students always had. Project management is not what you say it is. It is what the Project Management Associations say it is. The project is not what you want it to be, it is what the client wants it to be. So if you fail to understand that you are, as a project manager, the most important tool in order to achieve project success, if you are trying to impose what you want on the people that are paying for the project, you are not going to be very successful. A project manager, and we will see that in the next session, needs to in some way be detached from his emotions or her emotions. They need to factually assess the project and deliver what the client wants. Because when you're looking at it from the proposal side, you can come up with the solution you like the most. But does that really address the problem the client has? What are the benefits for the client, not for you? And can the client and you realistically achieve the outcome that you want. Now, I asked students to submit the proposal 2.5 hours into the 3-hour session. So we presented the proposal, or students presented their proposal in the last half hour of the actual session. Thank you very much for your attention. See you on the next one.